Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You will start by verifying prerequisites and creating the Compose file. First, confirm Docker Engine and Compose are installed. Run a quick Hello World. Then pick a Postgres image, Postgres, 15 is stable, and set Postgres password in the Compose environment so the database initializes. Next, create a Docker Compose. IML that maps container port 5432 to the host and attaches a named volume for persistent data. This prevents data loss when you recreate containers. Once done, you are ready to launch the service. You will bring the database online and configure access. Run Docker Compose upd to start the container. Make sure to check startup with Docker Compose logs F and Docker PS to confirm port 5432 binds. Once running, connect from the host using PSQL or a GUI like pgadmin to create users and databases. This lets you set roles and privileges immediately. If you need schema or seed data, mount SQL scripts into /dockerentrapointinitdb. So they run on first initialization. Make sure volumes and permissions are correct. You will finish by validating and protecting your deployment. Stop and restart with Docker Compose down and Docker Compose upd while leaving volumes intact so data persists. Implement regular backups with pgdump or by snapshotting the Docker volume and move passwords to a secrets manager or environment files. This reduces risk. If something breaks, first inspect container logs, then verify port mapping for 5432 and that the host firewall allows access. One key tip: if connections time out,
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.